set apart from other salespeople and other companies that a potential buyer contacts. At the same time, generate more content to create organic traffic and generate more leads. Social video is one of Glo3D's new features to create personalized video messages to a potential buyer. Instead of a dealership, just text message them or email them or tell them a price over the phone, record the screen with their face. So now they are creating a video message and they're gonna send it to them. And at the same time, that video can automatically get published to the social media to generate more traffic and generate content. Stay with us. Hi everyone, in this video we're going to talk about social video. This is one of Glo3D's new features that is going to help a dealership salespeople to make it more personalized to their potential buyers, at the same time generate more content to create organic traffic and generate more leads. And once they get the leads, they could use social video to create personalized video messages to a potential buyer, set themselves apart from other salespeople and other companies that a potential buyer contacts, set themselves different, and push them to come in and do a test drive or take any other action. Let's talk about an example. A lead calls a dealership, a salesperson picks up, and they ask for a specific price of a specific car. So instead of a dealership, just text message them or email them or tell them a price over the phone or give them information over the phone and then lose that lead forever. One option could be that they can ask them, hey, can I have your phone number in case we get disconnected? There you go. They have their direct cell phone line. And then tell them, let me go check and get back to you. And then what they can do, instead of just sending a text message with a price, which really doesn't set them apart from somebody who's calling all these different dealerships and asking the price, they want to put a face on that message and they want to put a face on that car to help that potential buyer feel more special. So what they do, they use the social video vehicle, specific videos, and go to the parking lot to record a video of that car. Or if you think they're lazy and they're not going to go to parking for every lead that comes in, they could literally pull it off from their screen, record the screen with their face. So now they are creating a video message and they're going to send it to them. And at the same time, that video can automatically get published to the social media to generate more traffic and generate content to set you apart from all the other local dealerships. Another example is what we call a general video. So if there are promotions about your dealerships, if there are things that you would like general public to know about what you have or promotion you have, a new hiring, a new location, a happy new year, or any other message, instead of just having a picture, you could record the face of the manager or the team in sales and marketing and record the dealerships. If you have a renovation, if there's something you would like to share with the community, this can be done very fast. So you generate the content, then the social video is going to add music, is going to add sound, it's going to add intro and ending, and then best of all, we'll automatically share it to social media to generate more traffic. Another use case of Glo3D social video is what we call happy customer videos. So every salesperson, when they are selling a car, they could turn this into a form of content, a piece of content on how they can get their dream car, improve their life, and at the same time generate more leads for the dealerships, generate more leads for themselves, the way we're going to show it. So enough of talking, now let's go see how exactly it works. Stay with us. When you open a Glo3D app, on the right lower side, so there is an option like a camera with a plus icon or with a person inside it. So you have three options: general video, car-specific videos, and happy customer. The general video is when you want to talk about a promotion. So as you can see, when you are recording it with this system, you have a few options. One is that you have the front camera to be the face, and then the back camera is going to record the back. Then you will have the other option where it is half and half, so half the screen is the front camera, half the screen is the back, and then you have another option where it is fully front, like this one, or fully back, like this one. So when you select, this is what you're going to see. Thank you everyone. This is Sean from ABC Volkswagen, and we would love to see you guys here in this weekend where we have a special promotion running, and feel free to come in. We are on the Western Road Street. There we go. You can see our signs up here when you're crossing, and we are across Best Buy. We would look forward to see everyone and go over everything we have to offer. Thanks again. We look forward to see you here. Once you get to the end of the screen, you have an option to publish the video, share the video, or you could assign a name to it. And when all is done, you just press save, and it is going to save the video, and you could use it later on, or based on the instruction you give it, it's going to automatically save it, automatically share it, and automatically publish it to social media all at the same time, saving a lot of time and effort. Our servers are going to then use the original video uploaded to cloud to add an intro, ending, music, subtitles, titles, and make it look really nice and professional, and then they're going to publish it to the social media, while the potential customer gets a beautiful personalized message video that was created just for them. So in really one quick video, not only your salesman has created a content for social media, they also generate a personalized message for the potential buyer. This is our general video. The next video is when we are going to do a car specific, the message that is going to directly to the salesperson. So in the first screen, the same process on the lower right, then we do car specific video. In the car specific video, there is an option to put in a stock number, VIN number, to assign it to a specific car. So it can also be shown in the actual web page of that car. And if that is not a point, then you just skip, and at that point you start reporting. Hi Jack, I thought the best is that I record a video for you and send that to you. So this is the car we talk. It's a Volkswagen 2019 Atlas, beautiful dark blue. Let me show you more about it as you open the door here. Let's see what we have. This is only 70,000 kilometers, a beautiful entertainment with navigation. It also has a good climate control, a very, very nice area with a lot of storage. And the leather seats, you get the electronic comfort control. You have a very nice steering wheel. The seats are really clean. And best of all, not only you have a great second seat, you also have a very beautiful third seat, as you can see here. Please give me a call. I would love to set up a test drive for you. So you come in, it's at no cost. It is in beautiful shape. As you can see, there's no accident in it, in a very good shape, ready to drive off the lot. Thank you so much for contacting. Again, call me 416-575-4448. Thank you so much. I look forward to talk to you and show you more about this beautiful car and the beautiful opportunity. So the next option is that, let's say I'm a salesperson and I just made a happy customer and they purchased a car. So this is a great opportunity to create a beautiful form of content using the happy customer feature. So the way the happy customer feature works is that, again, you just open Glo3D app. All the sales reps can install the same app, the same username, password. So you just need one account to make this happen. Then on the lower right, they click capture, they go to happy customers. They have an option to record a video or the photo. So in this case, we're gonna actually record a video. So once you do the recorded video, you have 4 options that you can choose from front or back. So let's all go with half and half. And this is what I like to do here. So 3, 2, 1, it will give you numbers and then I'll start. So after that, they have the options to give and get the consent to post it to social media. They give it a name, they choose to publish the video, share the video, and then they will save it. Well, what will happen from here is that it will get shared to all the social media. A copy of the video gets saved to the camera roll. So not only the dealership social media will have that, there is an opportunity for that sales rep to automatically publish that to their own personal social media. And with that sign that you saw, that's an option. If the sales reps would like to have that, that will give a chance for a sales rep to do advertising on the dealership social media, generating more sales and more leads for themselves. And that would be a motive for a salesperson that is typically not excited to use new softwares and extra work to actually do it, because at the end, it is going to generate an extra lead for them. With that said, we cover social video, all the 3 different sections and features that you can choose, and thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to learn more about Glo3D and how it can help you improve your online presence, close more leads, and generate more sales, please visit us at Glo3D.com, book a demo or contact our team. Not only just this feature, but over 12 products and 12 softwares that all in one can help you improve your online marketing, improve your online presence, improve generating more content and distributing the content to generate more leads, close those leads, and turn them into sales. Contact us today.
Once you finish capturing social video, on the top right, by tapping on the 3 dots, there is a section called social video. By clicking that, you have access to all the social videos you captured. On the top, you have tabs that you can switch between car specific, happy customer, and general. And then you can, let's say if you have a happy customer video, we could actually click on the 3 dots to rename it, share, let's say from here, which is going to automatically share that to social media by first downloading it and then giving you the option to share that. So here it will give you the option where you would like to share this based on your system. You can also download the consent, which was the permission that was given by the customer. Now let's look at how it's going to look like on web. So once you finish the capture, you have an option to directly send the video you captured on the mobile device to a specific destination. But we also save that in the cloud in your Glo3D.net account. So by logging into Glo3D.net and you go to content marketing, and from here you click on social videos, and here you have a list of videos, what type of video they are, and if they are shared or not. By rolling over, you will see the thumbnail of the icon. By clicking,
Give you numbers, and then I'll start.
Actually play and see what the video is. As you can see, for every video, we as we start the video, we'll add a header, we'll add a music, we'll add the subtitles, and at the end of the video, we'll add the intro. So these are the changes that we'll make to make it more appealing and ready to be posted in social media. Or from here, you will be able to copy the link. So you could send a link, let's say as a text message, to a potential customer instead of sending him a video. The advantage of sending a text message and a link to a customer versus a photo or video is that some of the customers may not have the option of receiving images and receiving videos. But when you're sending a link, it's like sending somebody a YouTube link. So anybody can really receive that link, and when they click, it's going to actually open up and show them the video. So that's a huge advantage. It also sends them the processed video. You could also access this from the mobile device that we're going to show you very quickly how you could do it. You could also download the video if for any reason you need to download the video. You could also download the consent form that they signed. Here you could regenerate. Let's say if you change the setting and you would like to regenerate with the new setting, you could do that here. You could share that to social media if you haven't decided or you haven't done it at the time that you finished the capture, and you could edit things like a name, you could give it a title, or you could add a note if you wish to. Here you could have the general videos settings. So here you could choose a font, you could choose a title. If you would like to add a title, the title gets added on the top as you saw. Here you could add the background color, you could add the text color, and you could add the highlight color. So as you're saying the every word, it gets highlighted to create more attention. You could add music. You could add a video intro image. So you could have an intro image. We typically don't recommend intro images for short videos, but the option is there. But we highly recommend the outro or ending image, so you can ask them to take action. Come and visit us. Look at other cards we have, put the phone number, other information. You could also set up what title, description, and tags you want when it is getting posted to social media, and you could also say, my general videos, I want them to go to these social media. So to connect this, later on you need to go to social media integration section to connect them. Once you connect, there will be the possibility to turn these on and off. These are great because it is not currently connected to social media. So here you could have the option of AI generated, which means we automatically listen to what was the content of that video. And you can imagine general video, it could be for any sort of promotion. So we listen to that content and we automatically generate the title for it. Or if for any reason you want a consistent title for all the videos, all the general videos you create, then you could actually have that title, then we're going to use that. The next thing is the description. So you could choose design the description. By default, it is on AI. So that means, again, we're going to listen to what is that video, and then we create a summary of what that video is about, and we'll put it in the description when we post it to social media. You could also use your own texting. So similar to our description and video tour and all the other section, you could really combine a static text. So the static text means it's not going to change. This is a video about let's say here you could add about your dealership, right? Our dealership name. Let's just delete that. About our display name, it puts your dealership name. You can also put your phone number, sales email. So the nice thing about designing is dynamic versus putting a static is that, let's say if later on you change your showroom sales number, it's going to automatically change on whatever it generates afterwards. It's not going to change whatever is already posted. Obviously we can't change it, but anything after that is going to automatically change that as well. By default, however, it is AI, so that it understands what the video is, and it's going to just summarize the content. And the same thing for the tags. We highly recommend, again, the tags to be AI, because once it is AI, it sort of understands what it is and tries to generate that. You could also combine that with, let's say, the dealership name, so hashtag dealership name. You could also do hashtag phone number. Doesn't make sense, but you could, something like that might make sense. And then you could choose where you want it to be posted when it is done. And a similar scenario for car specific settings, where you could actually design the title, descriptions, and finally happy customer setting. Again, the same thing. The only difference is that for the happy customer, you could do image and you could do video. So for the image, we give you the ability to add a header image and add a footer image, so that you could add a title, for example, another happy customer, and then the footer could be, let's say, information about your dealership, something like this one that you will see on the screen. right now. And here again, what kind of title, description, tags, which I don't go over, is really the same scenario you could add here. And if you are, let's say, just using social video and you have not connected your Glo3D account to your social media account, this is where you would be able to do that. And you could change the Facebook page that you're going to post on. You could connect to X, you could connect to TikTok. These are the 6 platforms that at the time of recording this video, we can support. Obviously, it might be more platforms. We're planning to add Threads. We're planning to add Snapchat and a few other platforms. And with that said, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you guys like to learn more about how Glo3D can improve and upgrade your digital marketing, help you guys generate content, distribute the content much easier, do it in one shot, feel free to check the link in the description, check Glo3D.com, and we'd be happy to go through all our services. With that said, thank you for watching. Have a good day.